Wop, wop. You wake up, housed up, round in it, flossing on it.
Hola, 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 what's up? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omia Cree and I am overexposed right now. There we go. Alright, so first what you'll need is some 24-hour edge tamer ultimate performance. I'm cheap, so I get the mini ones because I don't need all that edge control. I don't need all that. And then you need a little handy dandy, a little dirty toothbrush for the edges. So I was using this gel, but now I'm going to try to use this one, which is Tensions. Is it Tensions? I can't read. Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. I just got this at the Taco and Tamale Festival in Chicago. Yes. Free sample. Free sample. Yes. Thank God it's natural. Okay. So first what I'm going to be doing, oh, and you need an edge scarf. It's satin. I stole that from somebody. But okay, so first what you're gonna do is you're gonna push your wig back a little, back there, yeah. And you're gonna make sure your part is visible, yes. All right, so you're gonna push your wig back, make sure your part is visible. And you're gonna take the Thank God It's Natural, and you're gonna pump a little on your finger, yes. And you're gonna go around your hairline like so, yeah. You're gonna repeat that on the other side. Make sure to not get a lot, just a little dab is all you need to spread that evenly around your hairline, okay? So don't rub it in yet. So you just boom. Then you take your edge control and you put that on your finger also. Make sure you get just that much. That's all you need, is just that much, you know. And you put it on the right side and on the left side. I didn't put a lot on that finger. On the left side. And you take whatever's left over and you just add to it. Alright. You take your handy dandy dirty toothbrush and you pull your wig back a little bit more and you just, you know, construct them edges, baby girl. You construct them edges. I look like Baby Bob. I just started wearing like huge lashes and I'm not a fan. I'm not. I miss my little natural things. Little natural minks. I hate when girls they just go outside like that. Like, what is? Sis, what you doing? What is that? What is that? And why you outside? You need to blend it. I mean, I hate that too, but you knew that one right when you put that on your head. Like, why did you do that to yourself? You think that's what edge is supposed to look like? I am disgusted. Somebody better talk to if I do, because if I do, I'm gonna hurt her feelings. Okay, so you continue to brush your edges back until you make them extremely smooth. This is how you trick people into thinking you have 3B hair. You pull your sideburn down and you curl that. Ooh, I love it. My eyebrow is really long. And you construct your baby hair. And if you like me, your baby hair do it on its own. You feel me? Cause me, I'm foreign. Born and raised in Chicago. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, you pull your baby hairs down, and they should do what they want to do. So on this side, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to brush this up. Brush it up, 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 brush it up. I'm gonna brush this up. I'm gonna brush this up. Brush it up, 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 brush it up. It's so hot. Alright, so with these edges, you continue to brush, 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 brush. And remember, pull your baby hairs down because these are baby hair. This is edges.
Baby hair, edges.
Baby hair, edges. You just learned something. And you continue to pull that down. I don't do this. I don't do that. Cause I don't know how to, What is that? What are you doing? What is this on your heads? I do not do this on my heads because that is so ugly to me. It does not look right on me. Cause I'm not used to that. Like, I look stupid. But anyways, I'm gonna just push that back up there. And I'm gonna just keep going from the side. And you push that back. And boom. You got edges. And barber. So you take your edge scarf. Since I have on my wig, I fold my edge scarf in half. And boom, I made a mini scarf. And I just take it like this. And I loop-de-loop. Ouch, get off me. Okay. And you pull your wig forward like this, right here. Even though my part is kind of messed up. Fix it, Jesus. Adjust your wig. Okay, so there we have it. Michael Jackson. Got a dark skin, brown look like Michael Jackson. Got a dark skin, brown look like Michael Jackson. Got a light skin, brown look like Michael Jackson. I think I'm done here.
Nigga, nah, I ain't sorry. I ain't sorry.
Oh, wop, 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 wop. I'm not a whopper, so I'm sorry.